Coffee with Keith. My thought for this week is quality. You know, when we think of quality, and you may think this as well, some brand names come to mind. I'm reminded of cars, automobiles. How about electronics, even cruise lines? We have a predetermined view of what quality is, and so does your client. When you think quality, and when your clients think quality, what do they see? What do they envision? Is your company top of mind when it comes to quality, value, and service? Three important aspects. You don't want to be known as the cheapest in the marketplace. What you want to be known as the most quality, value-oriented company that provides that service from start to finish. So that's my thought for this week. How do you view your company? How does your customer view your company? And remember, quality pays. Please visit my Facebook page, Coffee with Keith.